Get on your knees, prepare to bow down, yeah. Can't you see I'm wearing the crown, yeah.
Thank you,
Clap
Lynette
your
and family.
hands and scream real, oh yeah.
You wanna color my drawing?
But today, I'm just
Go deep. Smile deep, ha. So
Lazy
handsome.
Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with
Ayaw, close eyes,
you.
please.
Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. I need space, a virtual escape. Guess you could say I'm tired of this phase. I need help from drowning in myself. 'Cause every day I'm turning upside down. Don't let me guarantee that I waste away on my knees as I plead. Gotta save today. A blue sea's all I see. Can I find my way? Where do I go? Where do I go from here? I lost my soul. Tell me now, isn't it? Where do I go? Where do I go from here?
Can I see your stamp? Hi, everyone.
Welcome to West Town, Lagoon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello everyone, good evening. First and foremost, thank you so much for coming. In behalf of Minabri Ayan and her family, thank you so much for being here tonight, celebrating with her and enjoying the rest of the night. Wow!
Crazy world, I just can't control the way you make me dance in the room like nobody's watching. No, just our bodies, you and me. When the night is over, say you just can't control the way you feel with me. But I can tell that somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine. Tell me everything, like how she makes you so happy. I'll listen patiently for you before I leave. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like the way that you're thinking, but I'm kinda shy. I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, but you're not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just
Thank you, Minette and family. Bye.
Afternoon on a train. I only took it because it started to rain. Afternoon in the fall. This weather always makes me think about it all. The woman across me, she's wearing a trench coat, a bouquet of roses. I wonder what they're for. A candlelit dinner, a date in the park.
Hi everyone, just taking a quick study break. I've been studying since probably 10 in the morning and it's currently 4. I can't read anymore because my brain is overloaded with knowledge. But I'm not sure if I'm retaining my knowledge. I'm about to go crazy. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to studying because, like, look at my notes. Oh my god, I have a pimple. Like, I'm not someone who gets pimples a lot. If I have a pimple, that means I'm stressed. And I really am. Because look at my book. Look at how thick my book is. Goodbye, I have to study again.
But shadows on his face. Was it just a bad day? Will he laugh when he gets home? Or did it all go astray? And now he sleeps alone. I don't know where he's going. I don't even know his name. I don't know if his life has been a breeze or a hurricane.
So this is my progress.
All he knows is pain. But I do know that our fates have intertwined. For a moment on a train, how many times collide inside these walls? Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, playing right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
One, two, three.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning I wake.
Hey guys, I will draw today.
Shout in the middle of the night, but when I see him in the day, he's so polite. Every morning he waves says always wears a smile with his tie. They all believe a guy who is truly a delight, Mr. Right. Oh, close the windows.
I'm gonna color my drawing.
It's freezing in my lips. Well, is it real or is it just October things?
Unsa ni nimo kaning kuan imong ingani yun?
Mechanical. You are the answer I've waited for all of my life.